Hello, I am Lisa and I'd love to welcome you to Wake Up and Thrive. This is this community. It's for women who are ready to feel calmer, stronger, more energized, and more connected to themselves. Because let's be honest, life sometimes feels like we are constantly juggling flaming coconuts whilst we're trying to remember where we left our coffee, especially if you are in menopause or perimenopause. Also, between work, family, and responsibilities, the never-ending to-do list that we have, it's just easy to put ourselves right at the bottom, especially our well-being. So Wake Up and Thrive is your invitation. It's your invitation to do something different. Our mission here is to help women wake up to who they truly are and give themselves permission to thrive through sustainable practices that support your mind, support your body and spirit. It's about the collective. Inside the community, you will find yoga, tai chi, fitness, meditation, mobility, mindfulness, wellness education, personal growth resources that are designed to help you reduce stress, move through greater ease, build strength, and improve flexibility, and create healthy habits that actually fit into your real life. And you'll also find something that many women are searching for, and that is connection. This is a space for meaningful conversations with like-minded people about well-being, transformation, mindset shifts, purpose, navigating life's up and downs, unexpected plot twists, because sometimes the most powerful thing that we can hear is me too. So our promise is to provide a supportive and nurturing space where you can grow at your own pace without pressure. It's not about being perfect or judgment. It's just about coming back into who you are. It's not about also touching your toes and sitting cross-legged for hours. It's about just like, if you can imagine waking up with more energy, feeling calmer in your body, stronger in your body, and more confident in yourself. Imagine having a toolkit of practices that help you navigate life's challenges while feeling supported by a community that generally cares. That's what Wake Up and Thrive is all about. It's a place to learn, grow, connect, and create lasting well-being from the inside out. So if you're ready to take a breath and roll out your mat, put on the kettle, and spend a little time investing in you, we'd love to welcome you inside. This is the most amazing place that I have created, away from social media, away from all of the things that distract us, all of the fast-paced world out there of AI. Let's just stop for a moment and come back to us. Create that space for you. Namaste.